This is our biggest product launch yet.
AI visual workflows. You begin by simply adding your website link or uploading a PDF. Immediately, AI analyzes your content, outlining your brand's unique positioning, differentiators, and competitor landscape. But you're always in control. You can adjust, regenerate, or refine every insight at any time. Next, AI helps craft your unique value proposition, clearly aligning your core strengths with customer expectations. And again, you actively participate, editing and iterating until it feels exactly right. Finally, based on your refined insights, AI generates compelling campaign concepts, detailed audience personas, and strategic media plans. Everything appears visually, ready for you and your team to review, customize, and improve with ease. This isn't just AI doing the work, it's a collaborative process designed around you. It's ridiculously simple, incredibly powerful, and honestly, pretty amazing to watch.